So what I love most about Halloween is disguise, just completely covering up your face. Now that comes with obviously some trade-offs. Can't see, can't hear, can't even breathe sometimes. So really what I wanted to achieve here was something that gave me the freedom of having my face, but still hiding and disguising my face and becoming a creature. Hello, I'm Max, and welcome to my open shop. So I'm going to demonstrate here with this light. I'm pointing it directly at the viewer, you. Now I can see just fine. You cannot see my face, but I can see fully past this light because from my perspective, the light is emitting in this direction. And there's reflective light, but barely any light blocking my visibility. Scaling that down to a LED level, you can see these little LED diodes I found for model trains work perfectly. The other essential component to this is the steel wire frame. This holds on the LED as invisible as possible, and the steel also holds and maintains its shape once bent. From there, just start bending the wire to fit your particular face shape, while always trying it on throughout the process. I'm using this tapping technique here to just keep things as straight and flat as possible, because I am doing this by hand. I got a pack of about 25 of these, so I just iteratively designed each one to see which worked best for the fit of my face, and landed on this design. This shape here runs just in front of my eye, and this little dimple is what holds it in place on my nose. I grabbed a Sharpie to mark exactly where those LEDs needed to sit to block my pupils. This is a pretty essential detail to get just right, because if it's a little off, you break the reality. Attaching the LEDs to the steel wire was an exploration. I ended up landing on this solution, which is braiding them on tightly. I slow down here in this moment and show you how to braid. It's basically tuck under, over, under. Another way to think about it is tying a series of square knots. My first attempt at this was a wiry mess, to say the least, until I discovered the wonders of heat shrink, organizing all the tiny wires into one single matte black shape. The final step now was just soldering on the battery attachments. I was very purposeful in using these little 9-volt batteries. That way, throughout the night, if I was running low on power, I can easily switch it out. I ended up with this really nice compact design that's also easy to just take on and off throughout the night.